Welcome to the next Mission Report. We're doing things a little bit differently today. You might have saw that post yesterday, and today we're talking about how does a great social platform perform. Welcome to the next Mission Report. Welcome back. I'm Norman Kinsey. You're on the Mission Report, designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips on very specific ways as a real estate professional you can grow, scale, maybe even automate your business with online marketing techniques. So let's go ahead and deep dive into this. I'm actually in front of my computer. I wanted to sit down today and use this foot massager as I do today's Mission Report, and make sure you drink responsibly. So let's go ahead and get into it and talk about the performance of one of our clients, and her name is Eva. So here's Eva. This is going to be her Instagram page. I know that a lot of real estate professionals now use Instagram to grow their business. Number one thing to point out as far as when you think about the performance of a social media like Instagram, do you have Insta stories? First and foremost, do you have Insta stories? If you do have Insta stories, fantastic, you're on the right track. The second thing is do you have a nice profile? Like, are you really saying who you are or what you do? She really pretty much breaks it down right here that she's helping people buy and sell real estate and invest in investments. So that's fantastic. She's a wife, so she's putting this out there, and she has her website here, and I love the design elements. As you can see, she has some design elements, and she's leveraged her Insta stories and put up some various different past Insta stories around various different things that can maybe be potentially helpful to attract someone to use her services. So she has her listings here. This is great. The performance of this post is great because she has just listed the address, her logo. She's on a team, so she put that there as well. 32 likes, and she has a great checklist here. She has tons of all of the hashtags, tons of hashtags, call to action, CalBRE, phone number, everything is very, very professional. She has staging, right? So she's talking about how there's a program that Compass has for staging. She has a video here, and she's featuring basically this video here, has some music, aerial, that's fantastic, of a listing that she has for 1.5 million, and she's done a good job lining it all out. She has her team lead with her as well, which is great, getting some good engagement, some good comments. That's awesome. And to point out a couple other things she's done is the before and afters. I mean, look at the room there, they're measuring it, and then the after. So the performance of showing what can be possible when you stage a home is amazing, and this is one of her listings, and she has those call to actions, she has the after, she has the logo there. So when you think about the performance of your social media, and we're using Instagram today for an example, you know, show some transparency, show that you're a real person, that you're hiking, that you're doing things, show transparency as far as the fact that there's your kids, show some transparency with videos, show the listings that you have, make it a little bit diverse, right? You don't need to have anything any in particular way. Look at this, awesome, a nice, cool, fun photo that she took of herself showing her confidence and did something like, hey, hashtag day fun day, right? So that's awesome. There's some, and she's showing basically her baby. So, you know, you want to have a social media presence that performs where you have a nice dynamic range of content. You have the Insta stories, you have a nice intro about who you are, you have a link to your website, you feature listings, but you also feature your family. You can show before and afters, how things looked. Look at that compared to looking at that. So you want your social media, you want your engagements, you want people to comment, you want to encourage people to comment on your posts, and the best way you can possibly do that is being authentic and being real, just like I started this Mission Report, and everything is going to be consistent, which I talked about earlier this week. So what she has on her Instagram is also featured on her Facebook page, also on her LinkedIn page, and she's starting to dabble into YouTube and put some videos out there as well. So this is an example of Eva. She's in Pleasanton, California, wanted to show her Instagram and how she is maximizing the performance of her social channels to be able to give herself some additional exposure to her ideal client, area that she serves, and really just showing that, hey, she's here to serve, she's here to help, and she has some really good quotes and some really good before and afters. And keep it real, keep it transparent, transparent, keep it authentic, and you'll have more success with that process. So thanks for watching today's mission report. If you found value, give it a thumbs up. So like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, comment below with what was helpful. And if you need to start with this process and really start to get more authentic and do more with videos and before and afters and put your listings on your Instagram, for example, which we're talking about today, we highly recommend that you start today. So if you want to carry out the mission, that's going to be your goal. If you want to take advantage of a free website audit, there's a link below. If you want to take care of a strategy meeting, there's an online strategy opportunity below, which we could deep dive online into your business and approach and what you're doing. And last but not least, we also have exposure grade. So if you wanted to just give yourself a quick exposure of your online grade, you could do that. So thanks for watching. Happy Thursday. Having an amazing, safe weekend. And we'll see you next Tuesday for the next mission report. And yeah, I guess I'll say that again. See you on the next one. If you found value from today's mission report, please do us a favor and give it a thumbs up, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified for videos coming out in the future, and you will be entered in to win the next startup program, which we give them out on a quarterly basis. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Best of luck carrying out your mission, and we'll see you on the next mission report.